Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am super pumped to unbox this DJI Action 4 which I bought from Amazon. Let's see what's inside the package. Let's have it connected. And I have a purchase bill which is too big. This is I got it. Too big. And here it is. Our DJI Action 4 standard combo which I have brought from Amazon, and take a look on it. And see, here is like manufacturing and weight and unit and these type. And here we have like DJI Action camera which we can download from App Store and as well as Android. And here some like DJI standard combo barcode is there. Yeah, this is what I got, and it is pretty cool packages also, and they have some hazardous sign also here, so take a look on it here. And which I have bought here itself with like SanDisk Extreme which supports this DJI Action camera, and which is 128 I have bought with this also. And here is some details here, I think you could see in this app. Yeah, so let's unwrap this DJI Action Osmo camera. I think guys you are excited, and I am also excited to open this app. Here they have sealed open, so we have to seal this back up like this. Let's show you. Two boxes here, and one is our action camera which is pretty much less weight to handle this. And let's take a part of this, and here, and this is accessory part. So let's open it up. Which is like one is screw type, and this is like C to C pin here I got, and some quick start guidebook like this. There's some pretty markings is there. I I hope you can see this. And I got some of the Chinese guideline book. Let's take a part of this. And safety guidelines also is there. Some book which is too defined for every languages also is here. And I have received the awesome DJI action sticker in the memory card. Okay, yeah, it's pretty much good, too good, and which I will stick on my bike tank, and if it is possible I will stick in on helmet also. It's pretty good. Here is like DJI app store, which we can access easily through this QR code. Yeah, and this is empty here, and here it is the case. Let's open it up. In this one I have get some lens protective, and let's look on it. The protective lens which I got, and this is like anti-grip pad, and I will show you how to use it, and I have researched for this also, so we can look it out afterwards. Side here, and here I got a battery of this DJI action camera, and which is pretty cool and lightweight also, which is like lithium ion rechargeable battery, and it is about like 1770 mAh, so it is pretty good than the GoPro. So I have bought this, and I hope this is chin mount which the action camera provides. Yeah, this is chin mount for helmet, and as well as here we can see here like Osmo, here it is. Yeah, so and the quality is too good, so take a look on it here. And this is the most interesting part in DJI action camera, which I have right in my hand. So this is like one of the coolest thing DJI action have introduced. So this is quick release method, so in so many actions camera it doesn't fill there, so this is a good idea for DJI action camera. And here it is like protective case, and we can see here like on button and so many buttons is there. Still it is still good protective case. Take a part is there. And now excited to open this action camera. Let's have a look on it. And it is too light. See the DJI printed on it, and action 4, and see the pretty much display here itself. I think so. Let's put it in the case for better view. Yeah, so here is like bulky and as well as which is protective to our action camera, so it's too good when we look into. Yeah, and we have like inbuilt mic. So this is like which we using like magnetic, and it's too hard. See, this is what I'm talking about. So it's too hard of a magnetic, and which we use here. This is lightweight without using this battery. So let's see like how weight it will be after adding the battery here. So let's see, and we have to pull this over to add up a battery here, and as well as the slot is there. So we have to see here, and we add this up. And this particular pullover here, I think so you can see it. So it is for pulling the battery here, and we can easily put it out. And here is the slot of memory card. I hope you can see it. Yeah, here it is. You can see it out, and we can close this out. And this is for like battery charge for C-type, and they have given a C-type to C-type, so which is useful. And let's see how it's work. And now we on this up, so it's pretty good. And this is like device name, activate before use, skip reminder, like this. For this, we just tap to check battery level. So first we can take a bit of here, the lens providing, and let's see how it's work. So here's the view. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So here tap to check battery's level here. So it is 87% inbuilt, so have to put and charge. And here the zoom will be like we have to adjust, tap and hold to adjust. Like this action camera have an inbuilt of max 2x, so it is for like zoom. And we didn't get an like SD card, so we have to put it. So I will put, and I will record it also. And here's it, like photo and video and slow motion and time lapse. So these are the types here. So let's put an video option. Okay, and here it's like we have to record now, so they have to sort it out. And here is like wide, and here is ultra wide, like that. Just set it out, and light adjustments like that here. So it's for pro versions and also normal version. So yeah, the brightness level is to increase in if you are going in a Motovlog, and we have to adjust the brightness, means we can adjust it out for our levels. So, and here is a setting like what we can do this without like wireless mic and sounds and grid and so many of them here. So let me explain with it. Okay, and here is like if you want to vertical orientation, it is an open, and here is vertical lock, so you can ease it out like this way in vertical option also. So here is the vertical option also. So and the photographic options here, so many options is here. Just show it out. Enable or disable voice control. So these are the options here, and I hope you will get some view of mine, which is a rear and good view. And we can set it out here also, like front view, and as well as we can adjust here, so it will be good to us. And I have pressed, but there is no SD card now, so that's why. Yeah, take a look on it. Here also the ratio is there, like in Motovlog, like YouTube shorts, you will be having like 16:9 ratio, and this is for count and like how many countdowns we will be having. And here of some, like this is like 16:2 ratio, and this is for zoom, and this is for wide, and this is for photo itself. So just move it out for camera. And we have a revolution of this is RockSteady Plus, and horizontal balancing and horizontal steady. So these are the systems we have. And for the resolution, 1080 and 2.7 and 2.7, and maximum of 4K at 16:2 ratio, and 4K at 4:3 ratio. And what we have to do is 4K:16 ratio, we have up to 120 frames per second, when approximately it will be covering by 9 minutes. Okay, so it will be 15 if we get to clarity and as well as too good for this ratio. And when we talk about this, so in this photo, let's have a look on it. And like, let's have my watch here for a graphic here. So let's see how clarity it is.